open.
Here, this is the next one. Daddy doesn't know. See, I told you. He doesn't know things. He's not gonna get it. What is it, Daddy? You have to guess, Daddy.
Not none yet.
Open.
Oh, I have no idea.
Okay, you're not gonna guess this one either. Hey, Daddy didn't know. But we trick him. We trick him good.
Interesting.
What's that one, Daddy?
It's not good. It's not good. It tastes nasty.
2 tricked him on 2. Good one, Gunther.
Wow.
Okay, give him that one.
That was nasty.
We'll try this one. He'll know this one.
Oh, that's hot pepper flakes.
Good one,
Ooh,
Daddy.
it's spicy. Now I'm going to be able to taste anything else.
If you could.
Okay.
Oh, man. It's, the almond butter?
Oh, we tricked him again.
No
He
almond
didn't-
butter, but apple butter?
Can't give him that, boo. We tricked him 3 times. He only got 1.
Oh. Sunflower seeds.
Good one, Daddy. Okay, here's one. And then you got 1 more.
Vitamin.
Good one.
These are my favorite.
Licorice.
Okay, yeah. Any more?
That's it. That's the last one. You didn't guess. The first one was tamarind.
Oh, wow.
The second one was fresh turmeric.
Wow.
And the other one was cake frosting.
Wow. That was a good one. You
Good
like
job.
this game, Gunther? One is disgusting. You gave me the